Hi everyone, Ann Parker here from parkerfitness.com, and I'm so excited that you grabbed my free copy of my keto recipes and meal plans little ebook. And right now it should be in your inbox, but first I wanted to give you a few tips to get started right with keto. So a little bit about me, in case you don't know, I have been a personal trainer for 25 years and a nutrition coach. I am a single mom of an 8.5-year-old little girl. I'm 44 and I love helping people lose belly fat. Belly fat seems to be the hardest place for people to lose fat over their whole body. And I feel like I found the magic formula with what I call the modified keto diet. So I found this myself a little over a year ago. My hormones, I think, were affecting my fat loss. I had gone through some stress in life and I really just needed something super simple. I work full time. I'm an entrepreneur. I coach thousands of people in my online groups. I needed something really easy to follow. And that's why I created this ebook so I can share it with my friends and family to make it really, really simple. So here are my 3 tips to get started. Number 1, throw away your scale. You need to put it somewhere where you're not even going to be tempted to get on it, because when you're in ketosis, your body is burning your own body fat as fuel and preserving your muscle, okay? So muscle weighs more than fat. Now, if you're burning the fat, you're gonna keep the muscle, so your weight really isn't gonna change that much. You have to focus on measurements, okay? Tip number 2, plan ahead. Take out that old-fashioned calendar that you have. I'm still a pen and paper girl. I do everything on my phone as well, but when I'm planning out my meals and my workouts and my social agenda for the month, because social agenda is part of my meal plan. If I'm going out to dinner with my girlfriends or I have a business dinner, I need to have that on my calendar, and I'm gonna plan my day and my meal around that event. And I'll even go to the restaurant website and look and find something that I can order ahead of time so I don't make a bad choice when they're there. For me, that's how I empower myself. Number 3, macronutrients count. Now, the keto diet does not give you free reign to go and eat all of the bacon, cheese, and heavy cream that you want. You have to pay attention to what you're eating macronutrient-wise, and that means the number of grams of carbs, fat, and protein that you're putting in your body. Now, that is a shift from traditional thinking. I understand that I'm asking people to really shift their thought processes, but that tip is so important. Your macronutrients count. And if you need some help with that, if you're really ready to just jump into this with a good, supportive, caring coach, me, I'm launching my new 21-day challenge, and it starts in January, and you're going to have the opportunity to download. I wanted to show you everything that's included. So I have all of your meal plans, I have all of your grocery lists. So it's 3 weeks of meal plans, grocery lists, getting started checklist, daily lessons from me, weekly Zooms where we can connect one-on-one. I'll be uploading some workouts. You'll have access to my private Facebook group and a membership site where you can download all of the goodies in this program. Now, it's normally $300 for this program for my clients, but right now in December, I'm offering it for $37. $37 for those of you that are ready to commit. You'll have instant access to all of these downloads. You can get ready and started whenever you want, but know starting in January that I'll coach you through it. So if you want to start now, you can go ahead and download these right now. You'll have everything delivered to your inbox and you'll have access to that membership site. So take those 3 tips, remember those 3 tips, and if you need some help and you want some focus, support, and a plan that's already done for you, you don't have to recreate the wheel. If you're busy, if you're ready to go, I have it done for you. Just click the button below and you can learn all about it. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you again so much, and we will see you soon.